Hello guys, this is Forex Teacher. In today's video, I want to show you how to trade Forex in less than 10 minutes. So assuming you already know how to use MetaTrader, you already know what is Forex trading, I just want to quickly show you guys a free Forex trading strategy that can make you money each and every day. So it's very important that you should seek education first before you think of making any money. So in this video, I'm going to share with you, it's a simple Forex trading strategy. I'm going to show you step by step. So in this video, I'm also going to share with you guys the trades that I'm running currently and the trades that I actually closed. So as for now, on this trading platform, this is MetaTrader 4, I'm going to show you the trades that I closed. Because some of the trades that I was recording, because before making this video, I was actually recording another video. And when I was just about to finish, the power just cut off. So I lost everything. You can see I'm trying to recover. But if I manage to, I'm going to show you the trades running. So now I just want to go to the account history. So I want to start by the trades that we started with today. Let's just quickly show you guys. You can see today we are already up in profit. So this, what I want to show you is not how much I made. I want to show you how many pips I made and also how I did it. All right. So the first thing that I want to show you, this is completely free. I'm not selling anything. So let's quickly go to this trade right here that you see that we closed. This, I'm just going to simply drag it onto the chart so that you can see it. Let's just remove the auto scroll. All right. So I'm going to drag this trade to the chart so that it comes on the chart right here. So this is the trade when it was running in profit. This is take profit number 2 that was hit. So at some point when I was actually recording the video before the power just cut off, you can see there was no drawdown on this trade. It simply had, I think this is less than 5 pips drawdown. And then it dropped all the way. When I was recording the video, I actually managed to see it reach 460 pips right here. But me, I closed it right here, and when I just started recording the video, so you can see this trade was running. It reached almost 450 pips, all right, in profit. So if you also go to this other trade that you see up here, so normally what I do when I'm taking a trade, I divide my trade into 2 trades, all right, which means the other one is going to target take profit number 1. The second one is going to target my second take profit. All right. So this is how it looks like on the chart. So this was the take profit number 1. From here, this was our entry. The take profit number 1 was hit right here. This was an easy trade, and this take profit was hit within 13 minutes. All right, and this was 170 pips in profit. So my stop loss was actually 100 pips on this one. So don't look away. I'm going to tell you the reason why I placed the trade with the 100 pips and why I was targeting to reach even 400 pips. All right, so here to here, this is about 100 pips, less than 100 pips. Okay, this was the stop loss. My stop loss was right here on this dot. This was the stop loss, this was the entry. The take profit number 1 was hit. So even if after the take profit number 1 was hit, if the market was to turn back and hit the stop loss, it means I was going to simply have more what both the first take profit, it was 1:1.7, which means if I were to win the first trade and then the second trade loses, it means I've gained 0.7. all right, and then the second take profit, I was targeting 500 pips down here, but when I was recording the video, I actually saw it reach 460, but I actually closed it right here. All right, so if you can do the math, you can actually see that I made more than 800 pips today. And this is on a Monday, and I'm going to show you how to do the same thing. So the first trade was actually 170 pips. Let's just get our calculator out. And the second trade, we actually managed to get around the 400 pips. All right. We managed to get 400 pips. So this is roughly 570 pips. So let's quickly go back to the other trade. This trade, I placed them around past 10 on the server time. But on my time, this time is actually a 1 hour ahead. So on my time, it should be around 9:30 when I place this trade. And then if you go back right here, you can see when the market opens, we also put some other trades. So this, I placed 2 trades, which is take profit number 1. Let's just drag it to chart. So you can see this is when the market opens, and then let's see take profit number 2, which is right here. All right, so I want to explain the reason why I placed the trade with a 100 pips stop loss first. It's not necessarily that I place my trades with a 100 pips stop loss, but in some cases when the market is ranging, it depends how volatile is the market. All right, so in this case, when the market opens right here, you can see that it started to move from the bottom of this candle to up here. In 2 minutes it moved 100 pips, and then in 3 minutes it dropped 100 pips. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, 4 minutes it moved another 100 pips. It dropped again more than 150 pips. This is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. All right, so it simply shows you that the market is very volatile, and if you want to stay in the game, you need to calculate a stop loss that is also ranging around what is happening. All right, so in this case I decided to put my 100 pip stop loss right here. All right, on the first, these were the first 2 trades that I placed. So on these first 2 trades, you can see my take profit number 1 was actually 110 pips, which was hit right here, and then the stop loss was also 100. So I was targeting 1s to 1.1, which means if the first trade was going to hit the take profit and then the market turns back and hit the stop loss, I was going to have a gain of 0.1%. All right, so let me quickly just add this. This was 110 pips plus our take profit number 2, which was also closed. This was our entry. It closed right here with the same candle. This was 220 pips in profit. If it even went down all the way here. So let's quickly just add this one. This was 220 pips. All right, so our 220 pips. So we generated 900 pips in just one day. This is not even the whole day. This is just a half day, or not even from when the market opens at 12 to around when the market closed. I think this was almost from when the market opens to when the trades were closed, the second trades were closed. This was around 12. So from 12 to 12, we managed to get all these pips. This is just, the day is not even complete. The US session is still going to come. We are actually in the middle of the London session. So the first thing that I want to do right now is to show you guys how I analyzed the market and the reason why I placed those trades on my trading platform, right? All right, so let me just quickly show you guys on gold, Australian dollar. I want to show you the analysis, the reason why I entered that trade. So let me quickly look for the asset, which is XAU AUD. That's gold, Australian dollar. All right, so here, right here, this is on a H1. All right, this is on a H1 time frame. So I want to show you the reason why we entered the trade. If you look, or let me just drag the trades so that you see also the trades on the chart, and you are going to understand the reason why we placed them, right? I've just dragged the take profit number 1 and take profit number 2. All right, so on a higher time frame right here on a H1, you can see there was this point of interest, which is right here. This rejection that happened here, it's a good sign that there's something that is on this level, right? So even before I even know or even check the other side right here, I know that there was something interesting, maybe an order block that was there, all right, that got filled. So if you come here, you see the same thing happened, right? It went into the same block right here, right? It quickly go into the same block, and then it just reject going back down. All right, so there was a huge manipulation that actually happened at this candle right here, because the market makers, they don't know, they don't want you to know where exactly the market is going. So they are going to try and use this. This is an indecisive candle. but them, they know exactly where the market is going. So if you have experience, guys, and if you have been learning, both, like I always say, you need to learn and focus on the market so that you can actually know where the market is going to go. So in this case, this was very, very easy for me, because first of all, this candle that you see, that is an indecisive candle here. At some point, it was a huge bearish candle going down. You can see it was down here, right? From up here, it went down here, right? And then it rejected going up, and then now it went back up to this price right here. So the main reason for it to go above this area here is because there was just a manipulation to induce the buyers right here. They were looking for liquidity, all right? So it's not necessarily that they are actually looking to manipulate your trades, but they are actually looking for liquidity. So if I go, let me just quickly go to a daily time frame right here, because I want to show you what I'm talking about, all right? So if you scroll going back, you can see what is happening there, right? Let me remove this auto scroll. It's disturbing me when I want to go back. All right, so I can remove this. It's not important now. So what you see right here, if I go like this, you can see from this area and this area, this is more like an order block that was there. All right, this is an order block that was there, right? So what happens if I just want to concentrate on this area here, since it actually reach here? All right, you can see this, what is happening right here. All right, so when I saw this rejection here on a higher time frame, I waited because I wanted, this is on a daily time frame, right? This happened on Friday, and then today it's a Monday. So you need to scroll to do like a top-down analysis. You go down to a lower time frame, right, to try and see. Because if you go to a lower time frame, you can see that this price rejected from this area, right? It went, if you keep on going up here, you are looking for when is it going to reject again, right? Because if you are looking on a daily time frame, this is what happened. Let's zoom it out. All right. So you can see what happened here. The first time, this happened on 2 August. All right, this happened on 2 August. It reached that same area, and there was this long wick here. If you scroll, if you drop to a lower time frame, you're going to see some nice entries here, and this was going to be another good trade. If you were watching on Friday, I also sent you some signals in our Telegram channel for free. I'm going to show you the Telegram channel as well. So you can see this one reached almost 800 pips, and me, I enter somewhere around here after the news. All right, so it was the NFP news, which first went up and then it dropped, and then that's how we managed to get some profit right here. So if you go right here, you're going to see the same thing happens. It goes into the same zone here where there's this order block, and then if you actually drop to a lower time frame, you can actually see the manipulation that really happened there. All right, let me just use the auto scroll so that we go to today's date. All right, this is it. So this is what happened now. If you are looking at, a M1, because I entered this trade using M1 chart. All right, so you can see there was this huge rejection that we saw on a higher time frame, which is this one, right? And then it went back up here. It creates this level here. It dropped. It's failing to break above this one, right? It comes back down. It gives us another low here. This is in the same range with this one, so we don't look at it. But it's failing to break this one. So when it came back into this zone, I said this is the time where they will be. Was here before I placed my trades here. You can see that there was a rejection here. It went up, rejection here. It went down, it came back up. I said this is the time to what? To sell. My stop loss was right here. All right, covering also this area right here, that it's supposed to be above what? This area. So that is why I entered this sell trade right here that you see. and take profit number 1 was hit within 13 minutes, 170 pips, and then within an hour it had actually reached up down here. This was about 400 pips within an hour. This was how many minutes? Yeah, within an hour I think it reached 400 pips somewhere here, right? But I later on hold on to it as I was recording the video, because I closed this trade when I was recording the video, and then all of a sudden the power just cut off. So I lost the video. I was actually demonstrating and showing you the trade running live. So with that out of the way, you can see how simple it is to trade Forex, and this is very, very simple. So the main reason why you need to control or to manage the trade, manage the risk, like in this case, if you see I was using 0.5 lot right here. The reason I use a 0.5 lot is because I'm looking at what? That this is around past 12 a.m. and me, I just woke up that because I wanted to check my setups if they are still valid, so that I see if I can enter a trade. That's why I just placed those trades and then I went back to sleep. So when I woke up, I just found that the take profit number 1 and 2 were hit on the first trades, this one with the 0.5 lots. And then I decided that since I'm awake, I can actually manage these trades. So I was looking at the market playing out on these trades, which you see right here. So I'm also going to send free Forex signals today in our free Forex, in our free Telegram channel. So make sure, guys, to go to the links in the description of this video. You join our free Forex signals, our Telegram channel, free Telegram channel. And then you can also, if you want, because these setups that you see right here, I can go and show you when I'm using my trading system. It's going to be super, super accurate. And these are the same trades that I can also show you guys right now. So I'm not here to market my trading system, because I was just sharing with you guys a free Forex trading strategy. But let me just quickly also show you, if you don't know, or if you didn't want to wait for these, maybe to draw these trend lines, you don't know how to do it, but you want to use some tools that are very accurate, and then it's also very simple. So let me quickly show you guys using my trading system. All right, so now that I've loaded my trading system on the chart, you're actually going to get the same direction signals, which you can actually see. So with my trading system is actually very, very easy to use, because what it does, it draws the boxes for you. Like for this example, you can see this is a current signal that is there. This is now a buy signal. All right, so which means I can place my buy right here, and then my stop loss has to be below the previous swing, like here, but I want to put it right here below this opposite signal, right? So if this was a buy, I'll put below the sell. All right, and then what I do, I just see how many pips was this, right? And then I also do the same thing. I want to make sure that my first take profit, it should be at least above 1:1.5. All right, 1:1.5, so that if I win the first trade, I know that I'm also covering this stop loss, because I don't want to be risking 90 pips and then I don't make at least 150 pips or 140, somewhere there. All right, so this is how I trade. If you are using my trading system, you get a green box like here, you just buy, and then like in this case, we got the sell box right here. So which means we're going to place your sell trade right in this box here, and it dropped all the way. This was going to be easy. This is how many pips? I think 360, 370 pips. All right, so this is how it is, guys. Nice, easy trade right here. And then here, you are not going to win all the trades, but if it happens that you win, so if you scroll back, you can see this is today. This was another nice signal right here. This is a buy. So this also generated some good pips right here. It reached 179 pips. And then the one before that also generated some good pips right here. We got about 400 pips. This is a lot. All right, so you can also see here, this was another buy here. It generated 500 pips. All right, so here, this is when the market was just opening. So this one is not a valid signal. If you know how to use my trading system, and if you have watched in my other videos, this box is huge. All right, you can see it covers this box, it also covers this one. So this is not a valid signal, this one. All right, because it's covering this one and this one. So which means we are not going to take any buy here. And this one also is not a valid signal because it's inside this box here. All right, so most of the time when this happens, it means there's a manipulation happening. When this happens, it means there's a manipulation happening. So we are not taking any trades here. All right, I'm not saying this just because they were going to lose, but if you watch my videos, go back and watch my other videos, you see exactly how I use my trading system. Also, if you have my my PDF, and when you buy the trading system, I'll actually give you how to use it. So you can see this one was a good trade, also 168. All right, if you go back, you can see this is another trade. All these pips, this is more than 300 pips. So I don't want to waste time showing you what you could have done, what you could have. But I want you guys that if you are interested in learning how to trade, I can also help you. I do a one-on-one coaching hands-on desk where I will show you also how to trade and share with you the setups that I'm going to be trading as well. So this one, I don't know, by the time I upload this video, maybe I'll see if they take profit or if it's in profit or whatever. I'm going to update it. Maybe I'll just send a screenshot at the end of this video. All right. So this is simple how I trade, and I want you guys to contact me if you want to learn how to trade. There's a small charge that I can charge you, or maybe if you have a bigger account, I can actually help you. I tell you what trades to take, and then you pay me after you have made your own profits from your own account. All right, and then you can also purchase my trading system. Normally when you purchase the trading system, I'm going to give you a one-on-one coaching only for this promotion, where I show you exactly what trades to take, how to avoid, how to increase the accuracy, and things like that. All right, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.